I'm attorney Presley Henningsen with RSH Legal. After your motorcycle accident, there are several important pieces of evidence that you or your personal injury attorney need to gather. This evidence will help illustrate what happened during the crash and could help you get a fair settlement. One of the pieces of evidence that should be gathered is the official accident report. Getting an accident report after your bike crash in Iowa is essential for a variety of reasons. This document serves as an unbiased report of the details of your accident. This report provides many details, including the date and time of the crash, the weather conditions, the damage sustained to both vehicles, a diagram of the crash, and a brief explanation of the events that led up to the crash itself, and sometimes even witness names and numbers. This report serves as a snapshot of what happened during the accident. If you were not at fault for the crash, the accident report will generally show this. The report can also serve as evidence as the reason for and the severity of your injuries. This can help you or your motorcycle accident lawyer prove to the other driver's insurance company that their client is at fault. Now let's talk about how you can get an accident report. If you have an Iowa personal injury attorney, usually they will obtain the report for you. However, if you haven't yet decided to hire an attorney, you can get the report yourself. First, you need to figure out who wrote the accident report. If your crash occurred within a city, it's likely going to be the city's police department. If the accident occurred outside of the city or town, it could be the Iowa State Patrol or the Sheriff's Department that you will need to contact. You usually need to fill out a written request and pay a small fee in exchange for this report. And you can usually specify whether you want the report delivered by regular mail or email. It's not unusual for the other driver's insurance company to offer you a lowball settlement. Even after you show them the crash was not your fault, and that you should in fact be compensated fairly for your injuries, an insurance company may try to pay you less than what you deserve. Don't let them get away with this. If you suspect this is happening in your case, you need to contact a knowledgeable motorcycle accident lawyer. To speak to one of our experienced attorneys, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283. RSH Legal, fighting for